everybody, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are doing a PR unboxing. I do these every single Friday here on my channel. So if you are new, then hello and welcome. We're gonna get started in opening some of these packages. Really quickly, I do want to mention that I did put up on Monday a new giveaway. I'm super excited. So I got to put up a new giveaway for you guys. There is 2 winners, so make sure you guys enter that. I'll have it linked down below if you want to check it out. Let's get started and open some of these PR packages. Getting started, we actually have quite a few packages to get through this week because I actually went out of town. I went to LA for last weekend, so I pre-filmed that PR unboxing, so we have quite a few packages we're gonna get through it today. So let's get started. The very first box I have right here is from No7. So they hooked me up with their Golden Sands bronzer. They got me 2 more of those. I absolutely love the formula of this bronzer, you guys. No7 is an affordable brand. They sell it in Ulta. I also have seen it in Target. So they hooked me up with a couple more of these. It's my favorite bronzer. They also hooked me up with some new products. So this is a Hydrogel Eye Mask. So it says that it is a powerful radiance boost for bright and awake looking under eyes. I have been using that Drunk Elephant eye serum and I've noticed a huge difference. I opened it, I think, 2 PR boxings ago, and I have noticed such a huge difference in my under eyes already from using that. So I'm always looking for new under eye products and I love seeing results with them. Then they sent over their advanced night cream as well as their advanced day cream. So these are going to help visibly improve deep lines and wrinkles for younger looking skin in just 2 weeks. That definitely fascinates me. I've never tried any of their skincare products, so I'm really excited to try those out. And then also in here, there is an early defense glow activating serum. So this says that it will help get you glowier skin within 1 week. So this is super exciting to me. Always love having glowy skin. So I'm really excited to try these out. Huge thank you to No7 for stocking me on my favorite bronzer and for hooking me up with some new skincare products. The next package came from Marc Anthony Hair Care. So let's see. So this is actually a package about Gen Beauty, which I actually just attended. So they sent over some products. Okay, so we have their Grow Long Volumizing Texture Spray. I really love the Grow Long line. I feel like it actually really helps to lengthen your hair. Also, this is a Strictly Curls Perfect Curl Leave-In Treatment. So this is actually a foam. So that's interesting. I'll have to give this one a try. And I've actually never tried this one. So this is a volumizing dry shampoo foam. I've actually never tried a foaming dry shampoo. This is gonna be new to me, so I'm really excited to try this out. I use dry shampoo like crazy. And then it has this cute little box inside that says essential tools for festival hair. There is a hair comb in here as well as some bobby pins. And then also there is some hair ties. So huge thank you to the team at Marc Anthony. You guys are so sweet. And Lauren, I had a blast meeting you at Gen Beauty. I got to hang out with her for a bit, so that was super fun. So big thank you to my family over there. I love you guys. I can't wait to try out these products. This next box that we got is from Winky Lux. How cute is the packaging on these products? Oh my gosh. So this is their coffee bronzer. And in the email where they were telling me about these products, they did say that everything smells like coffee, so I'm kind of excited. So this is the packaging, very sleek and gold. It does. It smells like coffee. This is so cool. Okay, so this is the bronzer, the coffee bronzer, and this is in the shade Mocha. So this is the coffee palette. This packaging is adorable. So let's open it up and see. Okay, so it looks like it's going to be some nice and warm tone palette, very coffee-esque. Let's smell it. It does smell like coffee. That is so cool. Okay, so I'm really excited about this palette. Let's swatch a couple colors and see how they feel. Ooh, that one feels pretty pigmented. I'm gonna pick up a couple of them here. They definitely feel like they are going to be nice, and the mattes actually look really nice as well. So I'm gonna swatch a few of the colors here so we can see. I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch them like so. So here are some of these swatches from the palette. The mattes look like they're gonna be really, really nice. And these shimmers look really, really pretty. I'm excited about this palette, and this packaging is seriously adorable. I also sent over a few lip products. Look at the packaging on these. Seriously, this is so cute. Okay, so this is one of their glazed lips, and this one is in sugar glaze. It looks like it's gonna be like a lip topper. I'm gonna swatch it because, ooh, it's kind of like iridescent and kind of like pink, has like a pink purple shift to it. That's fun. I'm excited about that. And then also this is, what is this? So this is one of their creamy Dreamies lipsticks, and this is in the shade Lash. Lash? I think I say that right. But this looks like it's gonna be like a mauve brown shade. So really excited about these products. Thank you so much to Winky Lux. This next box came from Benefit. So I am a part of their Club Pink, so I receive monthly packages from them. So this month is all about their mascaras. So they sent over 3 of their best-selling mascaras. So we have the BadGal Bang, which I have been using like crazy. Really, really like this mascara. I do have a full review on it. If you guys want to check it out, I'll leave a card up above. They also sent over their Roller Lash, which is another one of my favorites. Love this one. And then also their Real Mascara, which I have used, but I haven't used it in a long time. I think I went through the tube that I did have, so I'm excited to have a refill on this one, and definitely love using these mascaras. Moving on to the next box. This came from Stilazzi. I believe I'm pronouncing that right. So it looks like they sent over some of their new eyeliners. It also looks like there is some brushes in here. So these are their Borderline Intense eyeliners. So it looks like we have 6 different shades. These look actually like to be really, really fun, different colors. Love this. This is really pretty. Okay, so let's see what they look like. They all came in like little bags. So opening the first one, the packaging looks really, really sleek. It's kind of like frosted, which is really nice. So this is Smoky Quartz. So these are going to be gel eyeliners. They do have a cap over them, so let me get that off. I'm going to use my teeth because I'm classy. Okay, so now that we have that off, here is what Smoky Quartz looks like. So they are going to be a gel eyeliner, so it's kind of hard to tell what they're going to be like just from looking at them. But I really, really like the packaging, and I'm really excited. I want to look at that blue one that I saw on the card because that one looks super, super exciting. This one is called Emerald. Look at how pretty this looks. It kind of looks like it has like a metallicness to it. I am so excited to try this out. So really, really cool. I can't wait to try actually all of these, but this blue one is like right up my alley. And then they also threw in some brushes. I always get excited about getting brushes. I have so many, but that is like my favorite thing to get. So super excited to have some more brushes, and I really, really am excited to try out these eyeliners. So huge thank you to them for this package. Speaking of brushes, we got this set from Coastal Scents. So this is their Majestic 8-piece brush set. So I actually really, really like their brushes. They have a blending brush that I think it's like $4 or something like that, $5 maybe. That is literally so, so good. I've been using their brushes for a long time now. So this has a nice little travel case. Case is seriously so nice. It has like a nice feel to it, and also has like this little handle, which is really nice for when you're just kind of traveling. You can carry it around like that. That's actually really cool. So I wish I would have had this before I traveled because I totally would have used it. But here's what the brushes look like. So let's pull them out here. So this one is like an angled brush. Ooh, they feel really, really soft. Really, really soft. I'm going to have these linked down below. Like, I will try to link everything that I mentioned down below, but I will have this brush set. I know that it is on sale right now if you go on Coastal Scents website. This is on sale. I would highly recommend their brushes. Like I said, I've been using them for a long time. Got a winged liner brush. We have some blending brushes in here. Ooh, this one looks nice. This kind of looks like my MAC 228. It's like that tiny little precision brush. That's gonna work really, really nicely to like pack on the inner corner. So, and then there's some more face brushes in here. And here, yes, this is the blending brush. There is one of those in here as well. So this is gonna be a really good set. So like I said, I will link it down below. And if you guys wanna check it out, I know that it is, I believe, 40% off right now. The next one I have here came from Patchology. They always send the cutest boxes. So it says sink or swim. So this is their Aquaflash Luxe Gel Moisturizer with serious hydrating powers. So let's see. So this is a daily gel moisturizer. I really love their skincare products. Ooh, this is cute packaging too. And I'm always looking for hydration and a good moisturizer. So let's see what it smells like. I want to see what the form, yes, this is my, sorry, I'm excited. This is my favorite. It smells really good. Actually, it smells really good. This is my favorite type of moisturizer where it's kind of like this more gel, I don't want to say material, I was going to say material, but this more gel consistency. That is my favorite kind of moisturizer just because I feel like it's just so hydrating and nice on the skin. And I also like moisturizers like this to apply underneath my makeup. So this is really exciting. Oh my gosh. I love them. They are the cutest. Look at this is adorable. So this is like a little floaty. This is so fun. I feel like I would have liked this when I was younger. Like you could like put your Barbies in here, you know, or like your little dolls and they could just like float around. This is so cute. And then what else do we have in here? Some little candies. So these are little, there's like little turtles and fish. That's super cute. And also in here, they include one of their hydrating flash masks. So really excited. This is such a cute package. Thank you guys at Patchology. This next package came from Thrive Causemetics and it says, friends don't let friends wear bad eyeliner. There's like a little temporary tattoo in here. So this is their new Intensity Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. I'm gonna pull this out and see what the applicator looks like. It kind of reminds me of the same bottle of like their lash glue, which I absolutely love. Okay, so it's like one of those ones where you can shake it up to get more product. Ooh, it looks like it's gonna be really precise. Look at how tiny that is. I love eyeliners like this where you can just literally get right up against your lash line. So this is exciting. And I definitely am gonna have to take a selfie with this. So super fun. Huge thank you to Thrive Causemetics. The next package came from Pur Lisse. This actually came the day I was leaving. I got it literally when I was on my way to the airport, so I wasn't able to open it, but I'm excited. Oh, how cute. So it has some coffee and it says made beautifully for Molly. This is cute. So some coffee beans, I can smell them now. They are launching their new coconut oil and coffee sugar body scrub. So this is going to be a soothing, exfoliating, nourishing, deeply moisturizing body scrub. So I actually got to smell this when I was at Generation Beauty because they were there. And this smells just like coffee, like literally straight up coffee. It's so cool. Yeah, so okay, so I'm someone who doesn't really drink coffee, but I love the smell of it, if that makes any sense. I drink it sometimes, but I don't drink it very often, but I just love the smell of coffee. It smells so good. So I am really excited to try this out. Always looking for new scrubs. And of course, anything that's gonna be exfoliating is really nice, especially for me because I self-tan a lot. So exfoliators are something that I really like when you're trying to scrub off that tan that's, you know, like 2 weeks old. That is something that I love. And also in here, there's this cute little cup that has like a little top on it. So this is awesome. So it just says Beauty Through Asian Wisdom, which is what the founder of Pur Lisse is all about. So this is really cool and super thoughtful. Thank you guys. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this week's PR unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and seeing some new makeup releases and seeing some of these fun products. And let me know if there's any of the products that you guys want to see more of a dedicated video on. I can definitely do that for you. Also, of course, as always, you guys make this all possible for me, and I am so thankful for you, and I literally cannot thank you guys enough. I hope that you guys will enter my current giveaway. I have so many more giveaways planned, and it's just my way that I feel like I can give back to you guys for giving so much to me, and I want to do them like every day, but it's not feasible, but I will do them as much as I possibly can. I have a giant box. I already have like 3 more planned, so be on the lookout for those. Make sure you guys enter my current one, and of course, thank you to these brands for sending me these incredible packages. I am eternally grateful. I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you go. I post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and then I do these PR unboxings on Friday. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment down below. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.